So in this video, I'd like to say a few words about what a unity minister does and kind of doesn't do. The truth is that it's a little bit difficult to define the job of a unity minister because we serve our community, and we serve our community wherever that community is, however that community functions, whatever that community specifically needs, or the members of the community, naturally. A few of the things that I like doing is running meditation, supporting people to learn to meditate and find a deeper sense of inner connectedness, as well as a connectedness to oneness, the divine presence of God, whichever word you prefer. I also like to think of myself as somebody who can support others to find their own path to God through conversations, discussions, meditations, let's say mentoring sessions, though I'm not sure is the best word for it. I also like responding to what people feel they need in order to advance, develop, and become able to lift themselves up to a higher ground, a higher level of consciousness, where they can connect more and more, or easier and easier, into this oneness, into the divine presence, into God. And I would really like to be a kind of minister with whom we can have fun. So I would like all our meetings and meditations and mentoring and whatever we do together as a community to have a thread of fun in it, lightheartedness to it, because I think that makes a world of difference. In my experience, spiritual journeys, religious teachings, spiritual or mystical teachings sometimes tend to be a little bit difficult or serious, and I found through my own journey that the more joy I am able to bring into this entire affair, the easier it becomes, the more lighthearted it becomes, the more I'm able to laugh at myself and life in a way. I hope to welcome you at our different events through Unity Europe, and I hope you enjoy this video. Hope to see you. Bye for now.